My name is Purity Mwambia. I am an investigative journalist in Kenya.
Former investigative journalist Purity Mwambia, known for her work at Citizen TV, has faced significant challenges since her expose on corrupt police officers in Kenya, which resulted in death threats. In May 2023, Mwambia had the opportunity to speak at a conference organized by the United States Department of State, shedding light on the unique obstacles faced by women in the news industry. During the conference, which focused on women living in exile due to their journalistic efforts, Mwambia participated in a panel discussion hosted by the Bureau of Global Public Affairs. Reflecting on her own experience, she shared the difficulties she encountered while living in the United States for the past 2 years since fleeing Kenya. Expressing her gratitude for the opportunity to speak, Mwambia emphasized that the challenges she faced were not unique to her but were shared by other investigative journalists in exile. She highlighted the sudden loss of voice that comes with leaving one's home country after exposing high-profile individuals involved in corruption. Despite having worked on significant stories and exposing influential figures in Kenya, Mwambia felt silenced in her new environment. Moreover, she described the daunting task of navigating the media landscape in the United States, especially as a global journalist. Mwambia lamented the limited opportunities she had encountered during her time in the country, having only been able to pursue a single story with a local media company in 2 years. Mwambia also revealed that the organization that facilitated her exile in America had abandoned her, leaving her in a precarious situation. Struggling with the uncertainty of her future and the imminent risk of homelessness, she painted a bleak picture of her current circumstances. She expressed her isolation and the absence of a support network, sharing her encounters with homeless individuals during her daily commute and acknowledging the irony of her personal experience mirroring the stories she used to report on as a journalist. Mwambia's journey into exile began in 2021 after her groundbreaking expose titled, "Guns Galore." The investigation shed light on the alarming practice of rogue police officers and soldiers leasing their weapons to criminals. She uncovered corruption within the police force, revealing how officers would provide guns, ammunition, uniforms, and handcuffs to criminals in exchange for a share of the proceeds from illegal activities. The expose drew the ire of corrupt individuals within the security agencies, leading Mwambia to receive death threats. Fearing for her safety, she made the difficult decision to flee to the United States, leaving behind her home and career in Kenya. Mwambia's presence at the conference highlighted the sacrifices and hardships endured by journalists who risk their lives to expose corruption and hold powerful individuals accountable. Her personal experiences underscored the challenges faced by women in the news industry, particularly those in exile, as they navigate unfamiliar territories, grapple with limited opportunities, and confront the possibility of homelessness and an uncertain future. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenya News channel.